Alright students, so now I'm going to start the new topic, that is covalent bond. Okay, so what is covalent bond? It form between two non-metallic elements. ठीक है, it form between two non-metallic elements by sharing, okay, by sharing electron pair or pairs. Okay, सो एक्चुअली जो कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड्स होते हैं ये नॉन मेटेलिक एलिमेंट्स के बीच में बनते हैं जिनमें कि इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर और पेयर्स की शेयरिंग होती है. ओके, एंड उसके बाद क्यों पेयरिंग होती है? सेम थिंग कि दैट पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट्स acquire the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas. Means why they share the pair of electron or electrons? Okay, because they acquire the electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, and thus the bond is formed is known as covalent bond. For example, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Alright, so as we know, hydrogen is having one electron in its valence shell. Valence shell means last shell of the atom. And the nearest noble gas of hydrogen is helium, whose electronic configuration is 2. So this hydrogen will share the one electron with the nearest hydrogen, and together they will attain the 2 electrons, which is the electronic configuration of helium. Okay, so here only one pair of electron are sharing, and thus the bond is formed is known as covalent bond, and only one pair is shared, that is why it is a single covalent bond. Alright, and the hydrogen element is single covalent compound. Okay, okay, like chlorine also. As we know, the valence shell of chlorine contains 7 electrons. Okay, and to attain 8 electron, it will share 1 electron with the nearest chlorine atom to form chlorine element. Alright, and thus this chlorine element will also form single covalent bond by sharing 1 electron pair. Alright students, so the next example is oxygen. In oxygen, 6 electrons are present in its valence shell. Okay, 6 electrons are present in its valence shell. तो 6 में कितना प्लस करेंगे तो 8 हो जाएगा, that is 2. So these oxygen atoms will share 2 electrons with each other, and thus they are sharing 2 pair of electrons. 2 pairs of electron. Okay, 2 pairs of electrons, and thus they will form double covalent bond. They will form double covalent bond. Alright, class. So next example is nitrogen. नाइट्रोजन की आउटर मोस्ट शेल में 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, तो 5 में हम कितना सम अप करेंगे? 8 बनेगा, दैट इज 3. ओके, सो नाइट्रोजन के केस में टू अटेन stable configuration, it will share 3 electrons with the another nitrogen atom. Okay, so thus they are sharing 3 pairs of electrons. Okay, 3 pairs of electrons, and thus this nitrogen will form triple covalent bond. So covalent bond are of 2 types. First, single covalent bond. Second, double covalent bond. Then third, triple covalent bond. Alright class.